Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the EGR cooler on Mercedes with an engine OM651, that's the 220 CDI and 250 CDI. The EGR cooler is located just underneath this vacuum box, so we need to remove this vacuum box first. It's held by 2 or 3 bolts, and there's also a couple of vacuum lines that we need to disconnect. One of the vacuum lines is on the rear, and there is 3 on the front on the bottom that we need to remove. We can use a screwdriver to pry them out. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we'll start removing the clamps and some of the hoses. This hose is for the EGR cooler. We need to remove. This is the other hose for the EGR cooler that we need to remove. And next, we can remove the EGR cooler. The EGR cooler is held by 3 bolts on top I showed, 3 bolts on the bottom which are not visible at all, and 2 bolts on the front, one on the bottom and one on top. You'll see exactly how I'm removing them. In order to remove the bottom left bolt on the EGR cooler, I need to remove a bolt just there that holds one sensor, and then I'll have access to that bolt. And now I can remove the bottom left bolt on the EGR cooler. Next, I'm removing this bolt that holds the EGR cooler. There is also another bolt just down there, just underneath the cooler, that I need to remove. And now I need to remove the last bolt on the EGR cooler. It's on the bottom of the cooler, exactly in the center. You'll see now. I need a long extension for that to start turning it. And once I remove the last bolt, now I can take out the EGR cooler. Now it's easier to see where the bolts are on the EGR cooler. 3 bolts on the bottom, 3 bolts on the top. One here on top and one on the bottom there. Thank you for watching.